Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to look for an inspiration on Fiverr. Maybe you want to create a logo for your business so that you want to look for an inspiration. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how to look for your inspiration on Fiverr. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll be directed into this page. You can also see below the message icon, search icon, list icon, and the profile icon. In this tutorial, you will see this diamond icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on this diamond icon. And then in here, you'll see is spark your next idea. Explore beautiful work made on Fiverr picked for you. For example, here is for all category. This is the top trending for you architecture and designs, cartoons and cosmetic, and logo design. Since you are looking for inspiration for logo design, simply tap on this logo design. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see different kind of logos that you can get inspired. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to look for inspiration on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to look for inspiration on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.